Note 10 Pro. It comes with a 6.67 inches of 120Hz refresh rate display, and its peak brightness is 1200 nits. And it comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass fire protection, obviously. As you can see here, I have also applied another layer of glass on this for protection, friends. This is the vintage bronze color that I have purchased from Amazon. It cost me around 17,000 rupees. Actually, this is not mine. This is my friend's. He was purchased this mobile around 14,000 rupees by exchanging his old mobile. So yeah, take a look at this mobile in this video in depth. After the display, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, which is an octa-core processor. Obviously this is not a 5G processor, this is a 4G processor, but in my hands I have 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant. And let's take a look at this mobile's cameras. It comes with the quad cameras at the back side, 64 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 5 megapixels of macro, 2 megapixels of depth cameras. And it also comes with the infrared scanner in this place, so it helps us to detect the ranges like the camera lenses. And it also comes with a 6 megapixels of front facing selfie camera on the front side. This mobile's camera bump is really huge. I mean, it's really huge camera bump, so it's also becomes a minus point for this mobile. So we can't put a mobile like this huge camera bump on a flat surface like this. It wobbles a lot. As you can see here, it wobbles a lot. So look at the glow of this mobile. It's really shiny. This vintage bronze color is looking very shiny, and it is a glass at the back, and it's plastic, I think, at the side frame. So the microphone and USB Type-C and speaker grill at the bottom. Inside of this mobile we got a volume fingerprint scanner, which also acts as a power button, volume up and down rocker, and at the top we can see that secondary speaker, that's a stereo speaker, and 3.5mm jack, and also a IR blaster and a secondary microphone. And we also have a SIM tray at this left side of the mobile. Now let's take a closer look at this mobile. Let's first of all open the mobile. So the animation is cool. I have set this mobile's refresh rate to 120Hz, so it's hard to show the 120Hz refresh rate smoothness in this 30fps video, so I'll try to do my best. So first of all, let's take a closer look at this mobile's about section. So in my hands I have 6GB RAM and in my hands I have 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variants. It's already occupied 35GB also, and this one comes with a 2.3 GHz clock speed, Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. It runs on MIUI 12 and Android version. So this is the actual overview of this MIUI settings section. This mobile is huge. I mean, it's huge. The side bezels of these mobiles are also really thick, so you can take a look at this. Bezels of this mobile is the bezels of these mobiles are very thick at the bottom and also at the sides. So let me show you the let me actually play one song and I'll explain you the stereo speakers quality. So okay, so here I played the music. So this is very loud in terms of clarity of the audio from the stereo speakers. So yeah, this is the overall video about this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So the thing I felt using this mobile, I have tested this mobile and I have taken a lot of sample shots of this mobile. I will also show you the sample shots.
So let's consider this glass picture. It's really nice and green, and pretty much everything is natural looking. So this is a front camera shots, and let's take a look at the portrait shot. This is a portrait shot, so it's making the scenery as very reddish. So let's take another look at the other photo, that is this is the ultra wide shot, and this is 20x, and this is 10x, and let's take a look at the 5x and 2x also. So this is 2x, and this is ultra wide angle. So these are the wide angle shots, and let's take a look at the indoor condition shots. This is the indoor condition portrait shot, and let's take another look at this indoor condition natural no portrait shot. And it also, when we talk about the portrait front facing back camera, it's done a really good job, but at the corners it's making the blurry. It's not detecting the edges very correctly. So if you take a look at this iQOO mobile picture, the corners are blurred out, so it's having trouble with that depth sensing. So this switch is also in great color. So, and this is another grass shot. I have taken this with the normal shot, and this is ultra wide angle. And let's take a closer look at this shot. And this is normal regular shot, and this is 5x. And let's go to the maximum 20x zoom shot. So this is the 20x. So the zooming is also very nice, but it's losing the clarity.
So this mobile is really not that heavy. It doesn't feel like it's really heavy mobile, but it has a 5020 milliamp hours of bigger battery, and it supports 33 watts of fast charge also. So yeah, this is just a like a short review of this mobile. So this is my first review of mobile. So yeah, that's it. One more thing, friends, you can also adjust the frame rate of this mobile by going to display and just hitting this refresh rate. You can see I have set this to 128, and you can also set this to 68 or 128. By default it comes with 68. So this is all about the display. So this is all about this mobile. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.